In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden apps on your Android phone. If you've ever installed something and it seems to have disappeared from the home screen, it may simply be hidden. Many Android launchers include a built-in hiding feature to keep your home screen tidy or to add a little privacy. I will walk you through a few common places to look, starting right from your home screen and moving into the built-in tools your phone already has. First, try a simple gesture on the home screen. Make sure you are not inside another app, then place 2 fingertips on the home screen and swipe them diagonally apart as if you are opening a curtain. Hold for a second if needed, on devices that support this shortcut. A hidden apps view will slide open so you can see everything that's concealed. If the view appears empty, that just means nothing is currently hidden with this method. If nothing happens at all, don't worry. Different phones use different launchers, so move on to the next option. Next, check your phone's security app. This is a pre-installed system app on many Android phones. Open the security app, scroll through its tools, and look for an option called Hide Apps. Tap that, and you will see a list of apps that have been hidden using the phone's security features. This is a great place to review what's concealed in case the home screen gesture isn't available on your model. Take a moment to read any on-screen descriptions there, so you understand how your device handles hidden items. On some mobiles, the setting lives inside the app drawer. From the home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer where all apps are listed. In the top right corner, tap the 3-dot menu to open more options. Choose Settings, or it might be labeled Home Screen Settings, depending on your launcher. Then tap Hide Apps here. You will be able to view the apps that are hidden from the home screen and sometimes from search, all in one place. Remember, hiding doesn't uninstall an app. It simply removes shortcuts from view. If an app seems to be sending notifications but you can't find it, these views are the first places to check. That's it. Thanks for watching.